Hi students, today we are going to see a topic from plant anatomy and plant physiology, which is TS of dicot root, transverse section of dicot root. In this video, you will learn about the meaning of dicot, structure of dicot root, role of cortex and the functions of endodermis, vascular bundle and the microscopic view of a dicot root. A dicot root has the following parts: epiblema, cortex, endodermis and stele. Dicot is nothing but a seed with two cotyledon. You can see the picture of the seed, which has two sides, that is called dicotyledon. Stele constitutes of three types of cell: pericycle, vascular bundle and pith. The first part of dicot root is epiblema. Epiblema is the outermost layer. Cuticle and stomata are absent. A single unicellular layer of root hair is present. Epiblema is also called as a rhizodermis or a piliferous layer. The next layer in dicot root is a cortex. The cortex is a middle layer. It has multi-layered of thin-walled cells. These thin-walled cells are made up of parenchymatous cell. Parenchymatous cells are nothing but a supportive cell, a support to the root system. The cells of cortex are arranged in the manner of intercellular space. The function of cortex is to store the food and water. The next layer in TS of dicot root is endodermis. Endodermis is the innermost layer of cortex. The cells of endodermis is barrel-shaped, closely packed. In between the cells of endodermis, a band-like structure is found, which is called Casparian stripes. These Casparian stripes helps in the movement of dissolved salt and oxygen. The next layer to endodermis is a stele. A stele constitutes of three tissues: pericycle, vascular bundle and pith. These three tissues together collectively called as a stele. In stele, the first layer is a pericycle. The pericycle is a single layered cell which is inner to endodermis. These cells are the site of origin of lateral roots. The next cell in stele is a vascular bundle. The vascular bundle is radial, which is circle in shape, and the cells of xylem and phloem are arranged in alternative manner. The xylem is exarch and tetrarch. Exarch means the xylem cells are extended towards the endodermis layer of a cell. The tissues between the xylem and phloem is called conjunctive tissues. These conjunctive tissues are made up of parenchyma cells. The next type of tissue in stele is pith. Pith are present in young roots and absent in old roots. This is how a TS of dicot root is visible under the microscope. You can clearly see the vascular bundle tissues at the center of left image. In the right image, the vascular bundle is zoomed and you can see it in red stains, and the green stain is the phloem tissue and the red stain is xylem tissue. In this video, we have seen about dicot root and its parts, that is epiblema, cortex, endodermis, stele, which has pericycle tissues, vascular tissue, and pith in older roots, absent in younger roots. The pith is present, and the microscopic view of TS of dicot root.